Okay, this time I will review the WoodWorkWeb salary from YouTube. How much does WoodWorkWeb make? Let's see. This is the achievement data for WoodWorkWeb on YouTube. He has uploaded 679 videos. Already has 655,000 subscribers. The total video has been watched 100,183,548 times. The country is Canada. The channel type is How To. And WoodWorkWeb joined YouTube on March 15, 2008. Let's scroll down. In the last month, WoodWorkWeb received 578,542 views. We shift far to the left. And in the last month, WoodWorkWeb subscribers have increased by 2,000. Okay, let's continue calculating WoodWorkWeb's income from YouTube. Here I will calculate the lowest to highest interpretation, every month and every year. For the last month's salary, WoodWorkWeb earned $145 to $2,300. And for the last year's salary, WoodWorkWeb earned $1,700 to $27,800. That was the Social Blade version of the data. Just an estimate, to be sure. It remains in the WoodWorkWeb AdSense account. Thank you for watching and thank you also for subscribing.